What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and been having a great week as usual. I'm really excited about today's video. I haven't picked up a Jordan 1 in a while and you guys know I love my ones. Plus, I'm hyped getting these for retail. So we've got the dark mochas on hand today. A lot of people have been calling these the discount Travis Scotts. And I mean, while I see that, I think these appeal to me so much more. I'm not that big of a Travis fan, so I never wanted or bought into the hype on the Travis Jordan 1s. I think the dark mochas are way better because they stick closer to the classic heritage of the Jordan 1. Plus, I've been wanting another white-based Jordan 1 after picking up the Cord Purples previously. But before we get into the unboxing, guys, I'm going to be doing a quick lace swap. These originally came with black laces and an extra pair of whites. I wanted to put some dark brown laces on these, but my brown didn't exactly match the dark mocha brown. So I think I'm gonna try out some cream laces instead. And once again, shout out to my friends at Factory Knots for always keeping me laced. So we've got your standard Jordan 1 retro box once again. Extra white laces and the original black ones. And finally, the dark mocha ones. So getting into the shoe, we've got super smooth dark mocha brown nubuck on the back and wings logo area. Off-white and cream tones on the base of the shoe. Off-white midsoles, black Nike swoosh and black toe color blocking, black soles on the bottom as well, a nylon tongue and that Nike Air logo, and finally, sail white laces for that extra clean finish. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and styling tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mochas. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. As I said before, the Jordan 1 is my absolute favorite sneaker silhouette for years now. So managing to pick up a colorway I actually liked for retail is a big blessing. These are such a beautiful earth tone sneaker, and just a small color detail I wanted to point out. Here's a comparison between the white base of the Cord Purple ones and the off-white base of the dark mochas. It's a really subtle color choice, but one that I think really sets off and completes the whole brown aesthetic of the shoe. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.